Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is expansion formulae. We will learn expansion formula 3 and will solve practice set 5.3. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's begin.
Write down expansion formula number 3. A minus B bracket cube, as at the place of your index cube is there. Cube is there, it means this bracket appears 3 times in the form of multiplication. A minus B into A minus B into A minus B. A minus B. And now multiplication sign as it is. How many brackets are left? 2 brackets are left. It means A minus B bracket square. Understand, this bracket I have taken as it is down, but for these 2 brackets I have converted in index form. Next step is we will write first bracket as it is, and we have learned this expansion formula in 7th standard. This formula says that a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will multiply this whole bracket with first term, and then we will multiply the same bracket with the second term. This method is called marigold biscuit and cup of tea method. And now take this first letter a, multiply by this whole bracket. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then minus b multiply by a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply this bracket with a multiply by a square, a cube. Here there is no sign, it means you have to consider positive sign. Into negative sign it becomes negative. A into a, it becomes a square, so 2a square b minus 2a square b. Now plus sign and a b square. And now important thing, what is the important thing? Here there is minus b is there. While subtracting with this bracket you have to take extra care. Now minus into plus, it becomes minus a square b. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 2a into here b into b square, a b square. Again minus into plus, it becomes minus b square into b, it becomes b cube. First term as it is down, a cube. We have to see which are like terms. See here a square b is there, here also a square b is there. As here sign is same, we have to add, but we have to give the same sign which is given here sign. So here minus sign we have to give, and we have to add. Suppose here 2 apples and here is 1 apple. Total how many apples? It becomes 3 apples. So here 2 plus 1, 3a square b. Similarly here a b square is there, here also a b square is there. These are like terms. As I said, if there are like terms, we same sign we have to add, and we have to give the sign which is given there. So here plus sign. Now again here there is 1 apple, here there are 2 apples. So it becomes how many apples? 3 apples. So here 3ab square. And lastly minus b cube is left. So here minus b cube. This formula we will write down a minus b whole cube as it is down. Write down practice set 5.3, question number 1, expand. Write down first sum 2m minus 5 whole cube. Write down answer. By using expansion formula, a minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take this question down. 2m minus 5 bracket cube equals, here a is equal to 2m and b is equal to 5. I will take this 2m in bracket and I will give here cube minus 3 into a square means 2m square into b equals 5 plus again 3 multiply by a is 2m into b square, it means 5 square, minus sign b cube 5 cubes. We have to take cube of 2 which is 8 and cube of m is m cube. So here we got 8m cube minus, here square of 2 is 4 and square of m is m square. We have to multiply square of 2 with 3 and with 5. Square of 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 4 5s are 20 and 20 multiplied by 3 is 60 m square. Give here plus sign. 3 to the 6 and square of 5 is 25. 25 6 are 150 m. And lastly minus cube of 5 is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. This is your final answer. Take this question down. 2m minus 5 bracket cube. Number 2, 4 minus p whole cube. Write down answer by using expansion formula. A minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take this bracket down. 4 minus p whole cube. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to p. Therefore a cube, it means 4 cube minus 3 multiply by 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. 4p bracket cube equals, we have to take cube of 4. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 minus square of 4 is 16. 16 3s are 48. Multiply by p is 48p. Now here 4 into 3, 12 p square, and lastly p cube. And that's all. There is no any further simplification or expansion. So draw a box for your answer. Write down question number 3. 7x minus 9y cube. Answer by using expansion formula. A minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take this question down. 7x minus 9y cube equals, a equals 7x, therefore 7x bracket cube minus 3 into again 7x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y square, and lastly minus 9y cube. 7 7s are 49 and 49 7s are how much? 343 x cube minus. Now we have to take square of 7x. 7 7s are 49 and 9 3s are 27. So here square of 7 is 49 and 9 3s are 27. 27 multiplied by 49 we have to do. Do this multiplication. 49 into 27, 1323. Here square of x is x square and y plus square of 9y. Square of 9 is 81 and multiplication of 7 into 3, 21. So 81 and 21. Here second multiplication, 1701. 1701 x y square. And now 9 nines are again 81. 81 multiplied by 9. What is the cube of 729? Correct. Y cube. Draw a box around your answer. 58 cube. 60 is the nearest number, closest number, which is a simple.
The 60 number.
Yes, correct. 60 is correct answer. So for this 58 whole cube, we have written 60 minus 2 cube, and the rest things are similar by using expansion formula. A minus b bracket cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take this bracket down. 60 minus 2 bracket cube equals a equals 60. So here 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2, as b is 2, plus 3 into 60 into b square is 2 square, minus b cube is 2 cube. Again here in 60 there is 1 0. If there is 1 0 in answer, we will write 3 times of this 0. It means 3 zeros we will write, and cube of this 6 is 216. So here 216 I will write. So cube of 60 is 2,16,000. And now take here minus sign, multiply this 3 into 2, 6, and square of 60 is 3,600, plus square of 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 60 minus 8. I will take this number 2,16,000 down. Now you have to do this multiplication. This multiplication is same here, 216, only here 2 zeros are there, that much 2 0 we have to give. 21,600 plus 12 6 are 72, and this 0 will give, it becomes 720 minus 8. Now we will do addition of this number with this number, and this we will add, because if sign is same we have to add and we have to give minus sign. And when we will get addition of these two numbers, we will subtract this addition, we will subtract from this addition. So here 216,720 is answer of these two, and minus 21608 is addition of these two numbers. I have given here minus. So we can subtract this number from this number. I will take here in subtraction form 216,720 minus, I will start from here right side, 80612. So final answer is 195,112. So what is the cube of 58? 1,95,112. Write down fifth sum, 198 cube. 200 minus 2 cube. By using expansion formula, a minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 200 minus 2 cube, 200 cube minus 2 into 200 square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Again here in the question, 2 zeros. While writing cube we have to take 3 times of 2 is 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and cube of 2 is 8. Again here 3 to the 6. 6 multiplied by square of 200 is 40,000 plus square of 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12 to the 24 and these two zeros minus 8. This number I will take it down as it is minus 6 for the 24 1 2 3 4 plus these two numbers down as it is. Again I will add this number 1 2 3 4. So last four numbers here 800 2400 minus 24008. Take these numbers here for subtraction. I will start from last 800042. So 77 lakh 62,392 is cube of 198.
That's all for today's lecture. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. And finally, thanks for watching. God bless you all.